Hi friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to combine two different datas from two different Excel sheets into one Excel sheet or one workbook using Kutools. So I have already saved two different Excels which has two different data sets which I can show to you. In Excel 1 I have 18 line item and in Excel 2 I have 28 line items. Okay. In Excel 1 there's an 18 line items and in Excel 2 I have 28 line items. If I wanted to merge these two data into one Excel sheet, I'm using Qtool options. So let me close this workbook. Okay, I've opened a blank workbook. Okay, since I've already downloaded this Qtool application, I have this tab appearing. So on under Qtool Plus you can click on Combine. I'm using the second option because I wanted all the data from two different Excel into one tab. So I'm using the second option. Click Next. Now in this dialog box, okay, you can see there's an option to add the files. Since I have two files in one folder, I'm using the folder as an option here. Okay, I will choose the option folder and click on the folder which contains both the Excels. So click OK. Okay, the folder which had two different two Excels will appear in this dialog box. Click Finish. And save. The combined operation is done, and would you like to open the combined workbook? Click Yes. If you want, you can save the same scenario, or if you don't want, you can click on No. And you see here the data that was available in the first Excel and the second Excel is merged here. Hope this helps you. Thank you.